Look what I have here. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Jen, and if you're new here, welcome. I am so glad you're here because today we are unboxing the August edition of the Jane's Agenda Deluxe sub box. Ooh, guys, this is so exciting. I know. I say it every time. I say it every month, and then I say every month, and I say it every month, but I can't help it. This sub box is so good. And if you're new, let me just explain very quickly. Jane's Agenda is a planner company. They offer a planner subscription box. It comes in 3 versions. I get the deluxe box, which includes all the items that you can receive, and I get my box in the junior size, which is disc punched for a half-letter planner. So as usual, I've already taken all the packaging off of everything. Jane's Agenda does an amazing job of packing everything up so that when the post office puts these boxes through their paces, everything still survives. So for the sake of time, I like to get everything out of the plastic so we can just get down to business. So let's do it. Okay, so first of all, we do always get a tour card that gives you a little synopsis about what is going to be in the box or what the theme of the box is going to be. And on the back, you get all the items, but I'm not going to show that to you right now. It says, this month, step into the enchanting world of botanical beauty, embracing a whimsical apothecary-inspired theme that brings the magic of nature into your planning routine. Yes, please. Of course, as you may have as well, I have seen all the sneak peeks, and this box is stunning. So let's just get to it. So first of all, we always get a thank you card, which frankly is one of my favorite things. And I also do want to tell you that I like to start with the items that you would receive if you were getting the lifestyle planner box. And then I end with the monthly cover club items. That's how I always like to do it. And that's how we're going to do it today. But you do get the thank you card with either subscription because I received the monthly cover club for a long time at first. So it's so pretty this month, and I love putting these cards in the front of my planner. It just really ties everything together. On the back, you get the QR code so that you can access the free wallpapers that you get with the box. Now, we do always get a little accessory pack, and it's packaged together in plastic, but let me put this aside and we'll look at each item individually. So everyone loves the quote cards from Jane's Agenda. What's not to love, right? And recently they've been giving us this new size. So traditionally we've always gotten these square ones, which I really love. Let me grab my glasses because I can't see. Oh, the struggle is real, friends. A passionate scholar of plants, uncovering the secrets of nature's green tapestry and nurturing a deep connection with the botanical marvels of the world. And that is the definition of this word, phytologist. Oh, that's really cool. Then we have this one, which is black with white ink. Very pretty. And then our new size, all good things are wild and free, Henry David Thoreau. And yeah, I've been enjoying this new size, but love them all. Love the quote cards. I like to store my quote cards in a Simply Gilded mini album. So you can see I have some other little things in here too, but it's mostly my quote cards from Jane's Agenda. So trying to get organized, kids. I always say I'm not a planner because I'm organized. I'm a planner because I want to be organized. This month we got stickers. So I am a decorative planner. How about you? I have to say that I'm a little a little less so decorative than I used to be, but I still very much enjoy decorating my planner, and I've kind of been back into it, especially I was quite sick recently, and all I could really do was lay on my couch, and I played with my planners quite a bit, and it was really fun. Ooh, look at how pretty these are. So we have these clear sticker sheets, and they are all these beautiful leaves, beautiful botanical themed leaves. And the fun thing about clear stickers is when you lay them down, it just looks like it's part of the page. Sometimes you can't even really tell that you put a sticker down, and that's a nice feature of this kind of a sticker. Look how pretty. Oh, yay. Thank you, Jane's Agenda. Then we received sticky notes. I love sticky notes. I am a sticky note collector, and these ones are so pretty. I especially love having sticky notes in my planner, and I love it when they give us ones that match the theme, because that just makes it pretty too. And then we got a friction pen. I love this one, just at least at first glance. I love white pens. I don't know why, I just do. And I love that this one has gold writing, because I love gold. And this one says it is a friction clicker 0.5 tip. So let's check it out. So friction pens, if you're not familiar, are erasable pens. So this is the eraser. So they erase by friction. And so to open it, you press this down. I've already pulled the little protective piece off. So let's test it out here. I'm not used to the smaller tip, but I like the way this one writes. And I like the way this one looks. Love, love. Next up, we have a magnetic clip, and the color is nori green. This color green is pretty cool. It's kind of it's like an olive green, but I don't know, it's a very unique color. This is what they're calling a Saffiano vegan leather. So let me take it off of here. We've gotten quite a few of these magnetic clips. They are a very nice, strong magnet. Yeah, very nice. So very useful in your planner to hold things in place, or to just to look super cute. So psyched about that. It is a really nice color green. Yeah. And then this is so cool. We have this sticky note holder in a very beautiful wood. Very pretty. So you can put sticky notes in there like that, and then you have the notch to be able to pull them out. Or I've seen people say you could certainly put multiples. Oops. Put multiples and line them up this way, which would probably be very cute too. So a very useful item. Now we've received a couple different dashboards that you would get either in the lifestyle box or the deluxe box, as I have here. And these are beautiful. What? So pretty. So pretty. I love them. So you can see that they are in our woodland theme. They are double-sided, which is my preference. They are beautiful. I love it. And then we also got this set, which is stunning. I love it. So we have a black cardstock dashboard with white ink, which are so pretty every time they give us these. And they do print these in house, and it's really vibrant, the white ink on there. I love it. And then we have a vellum to layer over, which of course you could layer it over anything you like. And it says, hold on to your vision. And this is just so pretty. I just really love this. So I'm so, so excited. So we do usually receive inserts. And this month we have tip-in inserts, and I really like these. I sneak peeked them, you guys. So these are called the Daily Essentials tip-in. And since we have a SKU on the front, I think that means these will be coming to the shop. So if you aren't a subscriber and you like these, be on the lookout, because usually subscribers will get that insert first, and then eventually it will come to the shop to buy as you please. But these are really cool. So at the top it says date, and then it says priority, and you have a little blank space. Then you have tasks, and then I am grateful for, self-care, hydrate, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack. So kind of like a little mini wellness / daily tasks tip-in. And then the back we have graph, because apparently a lot of people have been requesting graph. So I love these. I think they're really cool. What do you guys think? Right now I've been using the daily 14s, and I think these would be a nice addition to just expand a little bit of the room on there. All right. Then we received a saddle stitch notebook. So we off and on have received some different saddle stitch notebooks from Jane's Agenda. We've also received travelers notebook covers to keep them in. And I love it because I use mine as a journal. And this one has lines. Hooray, I love lines. And we have brown ink, which is very unique. And you just have this little double line at the top. Of course, we have janesagenda.com at the bottom, and you just have lots of lined paper. So I'm happy about this because when I use up the one I'm using currently, this will probably become my new journal. So, and I love this color. It's really pretty. It's like a sage green, but it's got like a bluish to it. It's very, very pretty. And these are sewn books. They're not stapled. So really, really nice. The last item that would be from the lifestyle box is this cool planning pad. So it's really pretty. It matches the theme of our box. It says weekly schedule. It says priorities here and notes here. And then you have Monday through Sunday, and it's undated, of course, so you can date it. And then you have timed columns starting with 5 a.m. and ending midnight, maybe. And there's no half hours, but that is a big expanse of time, and it opens this way, which is pretty unique for a planning pad. But this is really pretty. This would also make a beautiful gift, like a teacher gift. Yeah, this is really nice. I don't know if they'll bring this to the shop or not, but very cool. So this brings us to the items we get in the monthly cover club. The monthly cover club gives you a page finder like we have here, 2 cardstock dashboards, and 2 laminated or clear plastic covers. Or if you're receiving the rings or the half letter unpunched, which I hear is going away, then you get a dashboard, a dashboard rather than a cover. So yeah, so this is really pretty. And you know, I don't know if this has a coating. Sometimes they do on the back. Usually it's just on the back side. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't want to scratch it. I'll mess with it later. Comment below if you already have it and you know. I didn't actually say I am an affiliate for Jane's Agenda. So I do have an affiliate link down in the description box, which means if you shop that link, I earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you so much to all of you who have used that link, and thank you so much for considering using it in the future. You can also save 15% on your first purchase with Jane's Agenda using the code PLANNINGGOLD, subbox excluded, however. Anyway. So I'm not sure if there's a coating on here. I kind of feel like there is, but I'm not finding it at the moment. But this is so pretty. So we have a little like cursive writing here, and we have this beautiful botanical leaf with like a little piece of, I don't know, washi tape or clear tape. I'm not sure, but very, very pretty. Love these. And I do like using these in my planner. Then here are the cardstock dashboards. Beautiful. Beautiful. Such a vibe, such a mood. I love it. And so here we really have those apothecary vibes, don't we? And so this is just so pretty. And same thing, these are double-sided, which I really love. Sometimes with these ones that are meant to be the covers, sometimes they're double-sided, and sometimes we have like maybe a photo on this side and then maybe like an abstract pattern or something like that on this side. And I like that as well, but this is really pretty. And then this one too, we have more of that cursive writing. We have an open book, lots of herbs, little teapot. Very, very, very pretty. And lastly, we have covers. Here we go. And these are beautiful. So these two, if they're, yeah, I think I see plastic on it. Let me see. Because this has that like little bit of a raised texture too. So I know there probably is a plastic coating on the back side, but I'm so paranoid I'm going to scratch my cover. Yes, I got it. I found it, guys. All right. So that probably means there is one on the page finder as well. Ready? Ooh. Look how pretty. Yes, beautiful. Now let's do what we like to do. Try all the different dashboards with the cover. So we'll start with the ones that came with it. Oh, that's really cool. Very pretty. That's really pretty. Yeah, very nice. Try out these. Ooh, pretty. And here's our mushrooms. This photo is so stunning. Oh, that's nice too. Sorry for the glare, you guys. There's not much I can do about that. So pretty. And then I'd also like to see it with this combo. So first, let's just look at the cardstock alone, which is nice. Let's put the vellum on. Ah, that's cool. That's cool too. Yeah, love it all. Want to see the vellum over the other dashboards just real quick? Ooh, pretty. I love this vellum. I love vellum. Vellum is so pretty and just like adds so much dimension. Ooh, that looks nice. Ooh, that looks nice. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's going to be really hard to decide how to set up my planner this month, and I always say that too. Very cool. Very cool. And speaking of that, I do love setting up my half liter planner every month with the items from the sub box. And I have a whole playlist, and the setup of my half liter planner for August will be coming very soon. So if you're enjoying this content, please give it a thumbs up. I always appreciate when you do that, but also consider hitting that subscribe button. Make sure that notification bell is turned to all. Make sure you have your notifications turned on, and you will be notified when that video comes out and all my future videos. I also have my mid-year planner lineup finally coming out soon, and a lot of other fun stuff. So come join the party. It's always a good time around here. And thank you so much for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. All right, guys, let me know what you think. I think this box is stunning. I love it. But let me know what you think. What was your favorite item here? Do you receive the box? I love chatting planners with you guys. You can check out my unboxing playlist right here, and I'll see you next time. Bye.